Welcome back to Motor Future. The 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser is finally here, and it's already turning heads. Whether you're a fan of compact SUVs or just looking for something rugged, reliable, and ready for the trail, Toyota's latest offering might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Built to carry the Land Cruiser heritage in a more compact, city-friendly package, this baby version still delivers on everything the badge promises: durability, utility, and off-road confidence. For viewers who love the charm and toughness of the original Land Cruiser but always wished it came in a more manageable size, your wish has been granted. Looking at it from the front, the baby Land Cruiser immediately commands attention with its squared-off silhouette and bold grille design. Toyota has gone retro-modern here, combining boxy old-school vibes with sharp LED lighting and modern detailing. The front fascia is rugged, featuring a blacked-out grille with Toyota spelled out in block letters, similar to the classic FJ models. The bumper is sculpted to enhance clearance, while the LED headlights are sleek but powerful, flanked by vertical DRLs that look distinctive even in broad daylight. Its wide stance, short overhangs, and high ground clearance scream off-road potential, but it's still refined enough to fit perfectly in urban driveways. Walk around to the back, and the baby Land Cruiser keeps that same squared-off, purposeful design. A full-size spare mounted on the rear tailgate adds to the adventure-ready appearance. The tailgate itself opens sideways, just like on the full-size Land Cruiser, a nod to its heritage. LED taillights with smoked-out finishes sit on either side of a solid, upright rear design. Functional roof rails, black fender cladding, and robust skid plates complete the picture of a small SUV that's more than ready for weekend getaways. Toyota has managed to balance form and function incredibly well here. It looks good, but every line has a purpose. Interior: inside the cabin, the baby Land Cruiser surprises with its minimalist yet rugged interior. You won't find unnecessary luxury here, but that's not the point. It's designed to be durable, straightforward, and practical. The dashboard features a clean layout, centered by a floating 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials lean toward the tougher side, with rubberized switchgear, textured plastics, and available waterproof upholstery options, making cleanup after muddy trails a breeze. Seating is upright and supportive, with ample visibility all around, and the boxy shape translates to generous headroom for both front and rear passengers. Toyota has also included clever storage solutions, including large door bins, modular cargo compartments, and fold-flat rear seats that open up a spacious cargo area for its size. In terms of performance, the 2026 baby Land Cruiser doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it features a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain delivers approximately 275 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, offering plenty of grunt for both highway cruising and off-road escapades. It's built on Toyota's TNGA platform, the same architecture that underpins the larger Land Cruiser and Tacoma, meaning it shares much of their robust DNA. Full-time four-wheel drive comes standard, along with locking differentials and Toyota's advanced crawl control system, which acts like low-speed cruise control for challenging terrain. Off-road modes, hill descent control, and multi-terrain monitors ensure that even beginners can confidently tackle uneven ground. On the road, it feels surprisingly composed for a boxy SUV, with direct steering and minimal body roll in corners. It's not built for speed, but it delivers a confident, secure ride wherever you take it. Fuel economy is decent for the segment, with estimates around 21 miles per gallon combined, and towing capacity is expected to be near 5,000 pounds, making it versatile enough for towing small trailers, boats, or even overlanding gear. Toyota also offers hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants in certain markets, though availability will vary by region. These electrified options promise better fuel efficiency without sacrificing off-road capability, giving eco-conscious drivers something to cheer about. Pricing for the 2026 baby Land Cruiser starts at approximately $35,000 in the US, with fully loaded models reaching the $45,000 to $50,000 range depending on packages and drivetrain options. For that price, you're getting serious off-road hardware, rugged styling, and Toyota's renowned reliability. It's positioned to compete directly with vehicles like the Ford Bronco Sport, Jeep Compass Trailhawk, and even the Land Rover Defender 90 in its more affordable trims. But where the baby Land Cruiser stands out is its combination of old-school charm and new-age tech. It's authentic without being pretentious, rugged without being clunky. In conclusion, the 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser is exactly what the market needed: a smaller, more accessible version of a legendary nameplate that doesn't dilute what made the original so loved. Whether you're commuting to work or planning a weekend adventure into the wilderness, it's capable, comfortable, and character-rich. Toyota clearly understands what buyers want in this segment: a true SUV that feels just as at home on the trail as it does in the city. For fans of classic 4X4S and modern drivers alike, the Baby Land Cruiser is a welcome addition that brings the spirit of adventure to a whole new audience. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Baby Land Cruiser. Is this your next SUV? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Motor Future, and hit that bell icon for more deep dive reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching.